The assessment report in the left-hand navigation will provide you with very specific and detailed information as it relates to any specific assessment. In order to access this data, begin by selecting the desired date range within the current school year. Choose a specific grade. Choose a specific teacher. Choose a specific class, and then choose any given assessment title. Here you are going to see specific data as it relates to that particular assessment. At the top of the report, you are going to see a color-coded stacked bar for each individual standard that has been assessed on that assessment. You can hover over any portion of the bar to get additional information. So for example, for my standard 4 NF1, if I hover over the green portion, I'm going to get a tooltip with additional information. At the top of that pop-up window is the standard, which is 4 NF1. The level, which is met, is any student that has shown a proficiency rate of anywhere between 70 and 100%. Underneath it, where it says a value of 20%, means that 20% of the students assessed on this assessment are falling within the MET category. And underneath that, it gives you the names of the students in that category. And at the end is a standard description, which gives a brief description of standard 4 NF1. The yellow is the approaching category, which is students that are falling anywhere between 40 to 69% proficiency. And the red is the not met category, which is anything below 40%. In order to export the graph portion of this report, click on the graph image icon in the upper right-hand corner to download in a PDF format. The second half of the assessment report is an item analysis table at the bottom of the report. Within this table, you will see the overall score as points and percentage average for each student within that class that has been assessed. You also will see how each student responded to every single question on that assessment. If the answer choice selected is green, then they chose the correct response. If the answer choice letter is red, they chose an incorrect distractor in comparison to the correct response. For example, on this particular report, if I look at question number 3, I see that all incorrect responses are distractor A, so I can scroll down to the bottom of the screen and hover over question number 3 to see that perhaps the students don't have a good understanding of denominators since they are choosing a fraction with a smaller denominator. So I can unpack that particular question and what those student misconceptions are further by hovering over the question below. You're also able to export this data within the table by locating the Excel icon in the upper right-hand corner. Click on this icon to download the table in an Excel format.